CRC World Views and News, important news about Christians worldwide. Today is the 7th of June 2025. Sister Rosa Pascal in Kenya says that Islamic extremists come and loot the convent, take food, whatever cash there is, beat up employees, even the authorities cannot fight them. The situation is getting worse and worse. Looking at the plight of Christians in Bangladesh, Kaza Samiruddin says that when he goes to the area, people see crosses on their throats and fight them, saying that through this they are spreading Christianity, but they remain steadfast in their faith, even in many difficulties. In Pakistan, in August 2023, an angry mob set fire to many churches and Christian homes. In the recent court decision, all the attackers were acquitted with honor. According to the news, all minorities, including Christians, are very disappointed with justice. Eric Monk said that the churches in Ukraine are in a very bad condition. During the war, everyone is harmed and religious places are also affected by it. Many church members left the area because there were so many attacks, and now the area is empty. Action against refugees in India, deportation. Christian refugees are also affected by this. Surendra Kaur says that India has issued an order that refugees are included in the attacks in the country, but when they are deported and go to their country, their lives are in great danger. During the monarchy in Nepal, the conditions for Christians are unfavorable. Kapil Nath said that the Christian population was attacked, religious leaders were kidnapped, many people were injured. Houses were also burned. It is alleged that Christians are misleading many people. Myint was in power in Myanmar. The Buddhists in the area were very worried about why a Christian was in power. Some people in the area planned to kill Myint and his family, but God saved them and they are safe. Daniel Kalanaki says that elections are being held in Uganda. Christians are facing election discrimination. Christian votes were also stolen. They were attacked and attempted to kill them. Christians in Haiti are being affected by the increasing gang violence. Cedric says, there have been many attacks, in which Christians have been injured, they have been kidnapped, our people have been killed. In all these situations we remain steadfast in our faith. Lameki said that Christians in Congo are being killed, and the authorities are also afraid of terrorists. Islamic extremists come, set the entire area on fire. When people get angry, they open fire. Many people are killed and the rest are injured. Stay with us for more news. If you want to watch more such videos and you liked our video, then subscribe to our channel. A reliable source of information. Stay connected with CRC News.